So hi everyone, we are now coming up towards the end of section 2.2, and this video is going to show you how to sort a cell range by one criterion in various ways. And we have a bit of data here which is all nice and colorful, but we'll ignore the colors. And one thing I explained a number of times in previous videos, that we have a blank row here, and it's actually bad practice to have blank rows in Excel unless you have a very good reason to use them. And the reason for that is, in Excel's mind, this is one block and this is a separate block. So if you mean to sort all of these together, then you can do what I'm just doing now. You'll have to select everything, but it's a lot better to just get rid of the blank row and not have it at all. So for the time being, I will delete this row, and we have 2 columns that contain text data and 3 columns that contain numeric data, and these 2 are actual numbers, and then this one is a calculation. So the task is that we sort the range ascending and descending numeric order, and then the same with alphabetic. So the one where we can demonstrate this the best is going to be price. And sorting in general you can find up here in home, and sort and filter. Just click anywhere in the column that you intend to sort. So in this case, I don't know, just click there randomly, but within the column, and say sort largest, and notice how it's been sorted. So that does what you want. If you want to sort smallest to largest, you just come back and do this. And it works the same way with text, and you can do, let's do this one because it has three different options, and it knows that it's a text, so rather than saying smallest to largest or the other way around, it's A to Z to A. So let's sort A to Z and then back Z to 8. So that's the simple sort. We'll talk a bit more about this later, but you can do custom sort where you can define what column and what values or other things and what order, and whether or not your data has headers, and you can add levels and delete levels. I'm just flagging it up that this is an option and you'll be using it later on a lot, but for the time being we're not working with it. So thanks for watching, and the next video will be moving on to cell operations, copy, move and deletion. So do come back and watch it. Thank you.